Dear students, in the last class, we have completed with the chapter cubes and cube roots. So today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is application of percentage. Finding increase or decrease percentage. Dear students, we have studied percentage in detail in class 8th. In this chapter, we will be discussing in detail the application of percentage. Percentage is used to calculate increase, decrease, growth, decay, etc. Percentage increase equals to increase in amount upon original amount into 100%. Percentage decrease equals to decrease in amount upon original amount into 100%. These are the formulas to calculate percentage increase and percentage decrease. So let's solve few sums based on these formulas. Application of percentage. We need to find out the percentage increase or decrease in each cases. Last year the bus fare was rupees 50. This year it is rupees 60. So we need to calculate, is it increase in percentage or decrease in percentage. Solution. Original price equals to rupees 50. New price equals to rupees 60. So here we can say that original price is 50 but new price is 60. So increase in price equals to rupees 60 minus 50, that is rupees 10. So we have got increase in price. So we will use the formula percentage increase equals to increase in amount upon original amount into 100%. So increase in amount, that is rupees 10, upon original amount, that is 50, into 100, which comes to be 20%. So percentage increase equals to 20%. The second sum. 5 years back, the telephone charges per minute were rupees 2 and now they are rupees 1.50 per minute. So we need to calculate, is it a percentage increase or percentage decrease. So original price is rupees 2, new price is rupees 1.5. So here we can see that it has decreased. So decrease in price equals to rupees 2 minus 1.5, which is equals to rupees 0.5. So percentage decrease equals to decrease in amount upon original amount into 100%. So decrease in amount, that is rupees 0.5 upon original amount, that is 2 into 100, which comes to be 25. So percentage decrease equals to 25%. The next question. Cost of 1 liter milk was declared rupees 46. Earlier it was rupees 40. So original price equals to rupees 40. New price equals to rupees 46. So increase in price equals to rupees 46 minus 40, which is rupees 6. So percentage increase equals to increase in amount upon original amount into 100%. So increase in amount, that is rupees 6, upon original amount, that is 40, into 100, which is equals to 15. So percentage increase equals to 15%. The next question. The production of cars last year was 32,000. This year it was only 28,000. So original price is rupees 32,000. New price rupees 28,000. So what we can see? It has decreased. So decrease in price rupees 32,000 minus 28,000, which comes to be 4,000. So percentage decrease equals to decrease in amount upon original amount into 100%. So decrease in amount, that is 4,000, upon original amount, that is 32,000 into 100, which comes to be 12 1 by 2%. The next question. The builders used to charge customers rupees 2500 per square meter and now it has become rupees 3750 per square meter. Solution. Original price, that is 2500. New price, that is rupees 3750. So we can see here increase in price rupees 3750 minus 2500, which comes to be rupees 1250. So percentage increase equals to increase in amount upon original amount into 100%. So increase in amount, that is 1250 upon 2500 into 100, which comes to be 50%. So percentage increase equals to rupees 50%. So students, I hope you all have understood the content and the sum based on it. So there is a small assignment based on it. Please try to solve it. Thank you.